From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of constantly worrying about ruining your mattress? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution? The DMI Waterproof Mattress Protector is here to save the day. This amazing product is a mattress protector and mattress pad all in one, designed to encase your entire mattress with a zipper closure, giving you a sense of security and peace of mind. The deep pockets ensure it stays in place. No more slipping or sliding around. And the best part, it's waterproof, protecting against pet dander, incontinence, accidental spills, and perfect for potty training. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The durable and dependable material is quiet and will not crack, peel, or discolor over time, giving you a sense of reliability. The mattress pad keeps foreign substances away, and the waterproof bed pad is perfect for protecting your mattress from any accidents. You'll be amazed at how it saves your mattress from stains and spills, and the quiet material ensures a good night's sleep. When you use the DMI Waterproof Mattress Protector, you'll notice the difference. The zipper closure is smooth, and the material is soft to the touch, making it comfortable to sleep on. It's also easy to clean, and the waterproof layer gives you a sense of security. No more worrying about spills or accidents, and the best part, it extends the life of your mattress. This product is a must-have for anyone who wants to protect their mattress. Whether you have pets, kids, or just want to be prepared for any accidents, the DMI Waterproof Mattress Protector is the perfect solution. It's better than other products on the market because it's durable, dependable, and easy to use. And with its popularity among customers, it's clear that it's a top choice for anyone looking for a reliable mattress protector. So why wait? Get your DMI Waterproof Mattress Protector today. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.